Hello, this is the solution for programming assignment 1 of week 8 of the course Joy of Computing using Python. I haven't watched this week's content yet, but I was able to solve the assignments. So as always, I will show you all how to code this. And for those who just want the code, it will be in the description below. The problem statement is, we take an input number and after adding the digits of the number, we get a number from 0 to 9 that is less than 10. So we take a input from the user. I have not typecasted it to int here, so we have a character n that is 48 instead of 48. We need to loop to that number for each character in n. We will need a sum variable to store the sum of the two digits. So here sum equal to sum plus the integer value of c. Now if this will run, the first time it will run, it will take 4, it'll add 4 to the sum. Second time it will run, it will add 8 to the sum. So now we have 4 plus 8, 12. So since the value is 12, it's greater than 10, so we will need to run this loop another time. So we can use a while loop for this. And we can check if sum is less than 10 here. If it is less than 10, then we break from the loop, while loop. Else we need to pass the new n variable into this loop, so n equal to sum. We will need to pass it as string so that we can traverse to each character, and in the end we need to print the sum. We also need to refresh the sum variable here to 0, since otherwise the sum will be carried over to the next iteration of n. The answer is correct. You can try this in Swayam. We remove the n parameter from /n to a blank. All passed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.